Trimble Earthworks Automatics for excavators provides semi-automatic grade control by managing the boom and bucket while the operator controls digging reach and pull. By combining Trimble Autos with our highly accurate soil simulation and equipment behavior, operators learn to set up, activate, and run machine control systems with the same precision, workflow, and feedback used in the field. This module builds confidence, eliminates guesswork, and accelerates skill development in high-precision excavation tasks. Build operator readiness with training that guides them from safe machine setup through grade-controlled precision, helping them understand when activating autos is more effective, regardless of workflows or the machine control manufacturer. Training takes place in a semi-guided free-form sandbox with 3 realistic worksite designs to choose from. Instructors can shape each session. With no predefined objectives, instructors have total flexibility to design exercises that reflect their own workflows, from preparing new trenches to shaping and grading building pads. Expect realism and precision in every movement, authentic vehicle dynamics, accurate soil piling and compaction, and ultra-precise machine control, just like real-world operations. Operators use industrial-grade controls and the Trimble tablet interface for a smooth transition to real equipment. Recognized worldwide, CM Labs sets the standard for simulation-based operator training. Take your training to the next level. Let us show you how. Visit cm-labs.com now to learn more, or call us at 1-514-287-1166.